Today, we are going to do a laundry room deep clean, get everything in order. I have to restock all of my consumable stuff, and I have to do like 14 loads of laundry. So I'm going to spend pretty much the entire day in here, so let's go. I'm going to start by just clearing off the countertops and removing everything that needs to get put away. It's not too bad. And then first things first, we're also going to get a load of laundry going to save some time. On the average week, I do 5 to 7 loads of laundry. So I split out my baskets, lights, colors, darks, and then each of my kids have their own baskets. But then sometimes like I'll take like the darks or the whites and I'll mix them in with mine just because I wash them specifically with different detergents specific to like darks. Like I use Woolite darks, and then for lights, sometimes I'll put like a booster in. And I find that this system works the best. I'm gonna pull these baskets down because I'm gonna clean off the shelves. It collects dust and gets so nasty. But first we're gonna do a quick laundry restock. I pretty much always use the same detergents. I like the Tide Free and Clear, I think it's, or Free and Gentle. It's just, you don't have to worry about anything with someone being sensitive to a certain detergent, and it's just easy. So I actually got, I think it was like buy one, get one half off at Target. So I just picked up a few. They can just be a little bit of a pain in the butt to get out of this container. And guys, I haven't been posting as much because I have been so sick the past couple of weeks. I just needed to take a break. I've just been feeling a little burnout and run down, especially with like Christmas coming up and all this stuff for the kids. And I also have a full-time job. So I try to film and do all this like on the weekends and do the best that I can, but sometimes life does get in the way. I have an obsession with these scent boosters, and they have a lot of like limited edition scents right now, and they just make me so happy. They're probably not the best for your clothes, and that's fine, but they just smell so good and they make me happy, and life's short, so who cares? So I got like the vanilla and then like cozy cashmere, and then this one is like a coffee scent or something. It smells so good. And they were also, I think I got like a gift card. Like if you spend a certain amount at Target, they give you a gift card. All right, so all of that is now organized and good to go. I'm just gonna put the rest of the items away. The amount of dust up here was out of control, and I feel like I try to keep pretty up with it. So regarding this, it's actually like a liquid decanter, and I have to keep it on a tray because there's been so many times where I get distracted and I'm filling up a cup and then it just spills all over the place. So at least the tray like catches all of the liquid. It's such a pain in the butt. It looks cute and it is efficient and very effective, but if you leave that thing up, you're gonna be making a mess. So much dust, it collects in the washer. So we put this shelving in, and I really like it because then you can like fold things and, you know, it's like a DIY or whatever. But so much dust collects, and when I try to pull the machine out, first of all, it's super heavy, so you can't do it all the time. But like probably like once a year, we'll go in there and like vacuum out the ducts and all that. There's just so much dust. I'm like, how is that even happening? But I love this glass cleaner. It's like this spray on. I forget what it's called, but I'll put all the cleaning stuff that I use down in the description. But it works so good just to kind of clean the front of the machine. Everything's nice and sparkly. I love it. All right, so this is working out. I'm going on, I think, load 3 for the day now. These 2 bins were my best idea yet for the laundry room. So one holds like rags and all that stuff that you have to wash, and then the other one is for towels. And I bleach those, and it just makes things so much easier and has a place for them to go so they're not just like, you know, all over the floor. So I got this portable LG TV. I'll put a picture of it. I don't know why I didn't show it, but I've been using that thing all the time when I'm like cleaning and doing laundry. So I actually wheeled it over. It's completely wireless, holds a charge for like 4 or 5 hours, and you can like watch whatever you want. YouTube, you can hook it up to like Netflix, HBO, whatever you like. It is so convenient. Love it so much. And at this point, I think we're at load number 4 or 5. So load number 5 was just completed. Now it's time for me to go and put everything away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.